Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Personal injuries can occur on any type of vessel. The staff at the Bluestain law firm PA provides experienced representation to people who have been injured on commercial vessels and ships. Whether the injured person was an employee working on the boat or not, we help our clients understand their rights in the aftermath of an injury and work to obtain compensation for their injuries. After sustaining an injury on a commercial vessel, it is important to speak with a lawyer who understands admiralty and maritime law. Injured maritime workers have special rights that are not available to land-based workers. Learn more about injured seamen. Any personal injury lawyer can handle an injury case on land. Maritime law governs actions occurring on water and is a separate and distinct area of law. To ensure that your rights are protected, it is in your best interest to be represented by an experienced and knowledgeable admiralty or a maritime injury lawyer, such as attorney Scott Bluestain. Mr. Bluestain routinely represents professional mariners, seamen, mates, deckhands, dredge workers, casino boat workers, fishermen, and other injured maritime workers. To learn more about your option for bringing on admiralty lawsuit for compensation, contact our South Carolina firm today. The different types of industrial and commercial boats that conduct business throughout South Carolina and along the seaways that border the state include barges, tugboats, fishing boats, dredges, ocean-going vessels. If you are a worker who was injured on a industrial or commercial boat, you may have additional claims that fall under Jones Act, the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, or other specialized legislations. When you are hurt in a boating accident, you are suddenly faced with injured medical bills and lost wages. When one excursion on the water results in injury or a wrongful death, count on the Bluestain law firm PA for quality legal representation. Admiralty and maritime laws apply to boating accidents that occur at sea or on lakes or rivers. Maritime law is very different from the law that applies to auto accidents or other incidents that occur on land. That is why you need an experienced maritime attorney to handle your recreational boating accident. At the Bluestain law firm PA, our boating injury attorney represents clients who have been injured due to the negligence of boat owners or operators. We also handled cases involving passengers injured during harbor cruises on vessel or boat like the MV Thriller 09 Charleston, deep sea fishing trips, parasail vessels, jet ski rentals, and casino boats such as Suncrest casino boats and other casino boats that operate out the Little River and North Myrtle Beach area. The owner and operator of boats owe a duty of care to appropriately warn passengers of dangers and to operate their boats properly. We represent clients who have been injured while on vacation or enjoying a day on the water in cruise ships, boat riders, center consoles, yachts, deep sea fishing boats, jet skis, and other personal watercrafts, charter boats, sailboats. Were you injured on a recreational boat? To learn more about how maritime attorney can represent you, contact our South Carolina firm to discuss your options. We offer clients a free initial consultation to discuss the merits of their claims. Careful handling of wrongful death claims. Maritime attorney as Scott Bluestein represent clients who wish to bring wrongful death claim on behalf of loved one who has died in boating accidents. Wrongful death claims for injuries on water are substantially different from wrongful death claims for accidents that occurred on land. These claims are particularly sensitive, and we represent clients compassionately and effectively. At the Bluestein Law Firm PA, our attorney is highly qualified in admiralty and maritime law and has represented families who have lost loved ones in boating accidents, including those who have disappeared from boats and ships at sea. At the Bluestein Law Firm PA, clients receive top-quality representation from an attorney who truly cares about the outcome of their case. Mr. Bluestein is familiar with the standard of care, limitation of liability proceedings, federal navigational rules, and federal laws that need to be considered in an at-sea wrongful death claim. Having practiced admiralty and maritime law since 1992, Mr. Bluestein is a highly qualified lawyer who regularly represents clients with marine insurance disputes. He holds a Master of Law in Admiralty from Tulane University Law School, where he took additional coursework specifically in marine insurance law. He is well versed in this obscure area of maritime and admiralty law, having handled hundreds of marine insurance cases for parties on both sides. The Bluestein Law Firm PA can assist you with insurance matters and insurance disputes related to vessel sinkings at dock and offshore or vessel damage, claims from the lightning, storms and collisions, denied boat insurance coverage and bad faith insurance claim, insurance claims for cargo damage, insurance subrogation for damages, marine salvage claims, unseaworthiness claims. Ship crew members or seamen, dredge workers, captains, deckhands, mates, even cruise ship workers are regularly exposed to dangerous working conditions. Maritime law recognizes that these dangers in its requirements of ship owners and operators and by outlining financial compensation for injured mariners. Depending upon how the injuries occurred, a seaman can seek compensation under general maritime law under the Jones Act and or with an unseaworthiness claim. General maritime law does not require the seaman to prove that anyone was negligent or at fault for causing the injuries. It is similar to workers' compensation, but with greater benefits for the injured seaman. The Jones Act is a federal act that allows maritime workers to sue their employers if negligence caused or contributed to their injuries. Unseaworthiness is another form of negligence. A vessel owner or operator has a duty to keep and maintain the ship, its crew, and its equipment in seaworthy condition. Failing to do so can lead to ship sinkings, injury, and death. A seaman is a maritime worker who is a member of a crew of a vessel or fleet or vessels in navigable waters. The seaman's duties contribute to the function of the vessel and its mission and must be substantial in duration and nature. In general, a maritime worker who meets these requirements and spends 30% or more of his time working in service of a vessel qualifies under the Jones Act. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.